You think that they try to even go to sleep. They just don't. He won't let go. Oh, my God.
Oh, Lord me. Good grief.
Ooh.
Did that one hurt? No. Give me the toy and it'll make me feel better. I'll chew on it for a minute.
Auntie Mickey and the toys.
He will not let go. Like, let somebody else have a turn. No.
Too funny.
Did you see that? And then that then. Thump, thump, thump.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Thumps feel pretty hard on the floor.
Yeah.
Look at this one's way over there.
I think she's tired.
Hi. Oh, not if I can have it. Hey guys, we're sharing. Oh, she'd like it. Will you let go for a minute? Meow. Guys, come on, share.
So how do your kitties like the Elmo? They like it too?
Yes, they love it.
I got rid of all my Elmo to Wendy.
Oh, good.
I had to, mine won't eat it.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's a, a McDonald's kitty. Here, you want one?
Sure.
I can only hold so many and they're fighting here.
Oh, little girl. What a sweetie. You're sweet.
You're a hog.
Okay, maybe that one's boy. Yep. I'm thinking, hey, he's pretty big for a little girl. And look, oh yeah, it's boy.